Welcome to Mexico City, the largest city of Mexico and the most populous city in North America. Approximately 10 million people live in the city and over 20 million in the metropolitan area. Today, we will walk through the central districts that offer a variety of points of interest and landmarks. The main public square that in the past was the centerpiece for the Aztec rituals is now Plaza de la Constitución, also known as El Zócalo. The square is flanked by the Metropolitan Cathedral, the National Palace, and other majestic buildings. This is the place of the everyday national flag raising ceremony. Another central square of Mexico City is Plaza de la República. Its glory is the monument to the revolution. It is a mausoleum topped by a golden dome. In the background, there is a row of spectacular skyscrapers, hotels and office buildings, and right in the back there is Paseo de la Reforma, the city's major avenue. The avenue has been modeled after Europe's grand boulevards. The National Shrine of Mexico, the Basilica of Our Lady of Guadalupe, stands out afar off. It is a modern structure with a circular blue roof. Beside it, you can see an ancient chapel that was too small to house millions of pilgrims coming to worship the cloak bearing the image of Our Lady of Guadalupe. And here is the impressive Chapultepec Park and Castle, the former residence of Mexican rulers. There are only 2 royal palaces in North America, and Chapultepec is one of them. We are once again above Paseo de la Reforma. A little bit ahead is the famous Angel of Independence, a column commemorating Mexico's victory in the War of Independence. The avenue extends over 12 kilometers along the park, historical buildings and skyscrapers. And these are only few of the attractions offered by the ancient, striking city.